Okay, buddy, you want to play?
They have to sneak right to the bakery.
Okay.
That I heard the bakery is really close.
Okay. So you're gonna go down.
Now, here we are.
Okay.
Here's another bakery if they need it.
Okay, lie down. Alright. So, I'm Papa. And I'm Papa Pop. And we're just hanging out in this bakery.
No, that's the bakery right there.
Oh. Hi, I'm Papa. And I'm Papa Pop. We're just hanging out in this bake shop.
They have to look on this side.
Hey, what's that you see at the window? That looks like a dragon. We should go out and... Maybe we'll go out and walk by it there. Okay.
Have you walk? There's not a stick anywhere, so
Well, I think
they have to do them over the dick and over the
we just
frog.
pretend there's a stick, right?
No.
All right, let's go for a walk outside and let's go see the dragon. Dum da dum da dum da dum da dum. Oh no! You stepped on a stick and woke up the dragon.
No, there's not a dick.
Why? What is there? Okay, we'll do this. Dun, 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 dun. We have to be very quiet. Two. Oh no! You woke up.
So they have to jump up in the air and flap, and then now they can go at the dragon's head.
Okay. So what is it gonna? Okay.
No.
Oh, look at that dragon is sleeping.
The bakery is over there, so they have to jump up and flap like a dragon.
Okay.
Now right there, you have guys. They have to jump right up in the sky.
All right, we got to the bake shop. Let's bring it back over here.
Now they have to look. Now they have to walk this side and say, "Oh no, the dragon ate that side."
Oh no, the dragon ate the side of the bake shop. What are we gonna do? We could try to fix it. I don't think it's fixable. Well, maybe we should just let the dragon eat the rest of it. Dragon.
They had to jump on the deck and will wake up.
Oh no, we woke up the dragon. Oh wow, what a huge creature that is.
They had to jump on another deck. They had to jump on another deck.
Crunch. Oh no, we stepped on another stick. Oh, the dragon's back asleep again. My nice old dragon. Oh. What a nice little dragon.
Now they have to look on this side.
What's it?
The wood or...
Let's hang out in this bake shop. I love the smell of bake shop. Yep, me too. Hey, do you see that out there? That's a dragon. No, it's not. Yeah, it is. Look at it. Let's go and take a look. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at the majestic creature. Ah! It's got bad breath, that's for sure.
This big dragon is a nasty one.
Should we go and try to tickle it? I think so. I think we should tickle it.
Breathe his terrible fire.
He's breathing his terrible fire?
Yeah. and he's eating all the big shop. This is the big shop. Here's the new big shop.
Where's the old big shop and it's getting eaten?
No, this big shop is the dragon eating. But you have to spit that out. Papa, you always be Papa. And you always, and you are playing big shop, Papa. And that's the big shop, and they have to sneak. They know that's here, so they dig here. Now they know that. So they can walk over here.
So the dragon doesn't want to wake up?
No.
Okay. Let's sneak by the dragon. We did it! And the dragon didn't even wake up.
Now there's a deck right here, and they have to step on this deck. No.
Oh, okay.
That's on a deck.
Oh no, we stepped on a stick and woke up the mighty dragon.